This is oh, this is day 29 of recording myself. So it's been 17 days since I uploaded my last video. You know, it's fasting month, so I'm hungry, I'm tired, and eventually I'm lazy. So I'm lazy to upload videos and record, but I'm gonna upload anyway. And finally, I just learned how to solve Rubik's Cube. So solving the Rubik's Cube was a big dream of mine when I was a kid, and now I fulfilled that dream and my inner kid is happy. By the way, I'm not using the mic today because I'm lazy to connect the mic, and you know I gotta charge it, and connecting it and holding it and talking to it is feels like a lot of work. So today I'm going to show you solving this Rubik's Cube as fast as possible for me. I just learned how to solve yesterday, so I could be not that faster. So anyway, I'm going to try it. So that's it. I'm taking this clip maybe after an hour of the previous clip. I've been texting with some friends. So yeah, that's it. Peace out.